Hi, my name is Jessica Pastor. I'm 44 years old and I am a celebrity stylist. And about 2 years ago, I decided to lose a lot of weight. So I lost about 52 pounds. And what I did notice was that my face was just going down. It was just all coming down. I had those two little lines on my neck. I don't think it was jowls, but I think it was like a weird triple, double chin. And I noticed that this eye was also falling. And so I decided to do extensive research to find an amazing doctor. I did do a couple things of old therapy. I wasn't thrilled with it. I did do the little strings. Again, not thrilled with it. I did a couple lasers. I mean, my skin looked great, but I wasn't quite happy. I noticed that everything just was falling. I did do research and I found a couple of doctors in New York that I liked via Instagram. And of course, because I do live in Los Angeles, we have so many great, amazing doctors in Beverly Hills. But for some reason, Dr.Karam, I would always go back to his Instagram, and I always loved his work. And even though all of the doctors that I had been researching did beautiful work, I thought that Dr. Karam did the most beautiful work. And every time I would see his Instagram posts, I just loved him even more. So here I am, a week out. I don't have a double chin. I'm a little concerned about this eye, but I guess they say it's normal. I do love, and I feel tighter. The whole procedure was very easy. It wasn't painful. And this is a week out, so I hope you guys like the progress as the weeks go by.
And what procedure did you get done with Dr. Karam?
The procedures that I got done with Dr. Karam was a vertical restore, which he was explaining to me that what he has perfected is that everything goes north. Instead of just making everything tighter, he made everything go back to where it's supposed to go. He put some fat fillers towards this area and under my eye because I am 44, so I was losing a little volume. And he did give me a brow lift because, you know, us girls, we want eyebrows, again, going up. And I think that's what I did.